The nation's fight against the opioid epidemic focused in on our backyard today as the country's top law enforcement officials stopped in Fargo.
Jeff Sessions announced the developments in exposing an international drug ring. Valley News Team's Ryan Laughlin has how the U.S. Attorney General plans to reverse the deadliest drug crisis in American history.
Welcome, Mr. Jeff Sessions.
The focus for Attorney General Jeff Sessions was clear.
There can be no doubt that this is the deadliest drug crisis in the history of this country.
The opioid epidemic, around 64,000 drug overdose deaths in 2016.
That's more deaths than the population of Grand Forks, dead in 1 year from drug overdoses.
He says when the numbers are out for 2017, they expect them to be even higher. But a big reason for Sessions' visit started with one death in Grand Forks back in 2015. 18-year-old Bailey Hankey, a UND student who fatally overdosed on fentanyl.
Charging 10 individual defendants, including 4 Chinese nationals. In total, 32 defendants have been charged as part of this law enforcement operation.
Exposing the drug ring smuggling Chinese-made fentanyl through the mail and across the border is an accomplishment for law enforcement. However, Sessions was far from declaring victory.
A Wild West 2 open border, and it needs to be ended. The illegality of the border needs to be ended for a whole lot of reasons.
Along with stronger borders, tougher sentences for drug dealers, and a prevention education program, the White House is now taking aim at doctors.
The president has set an ambitious goal, get this, to reduce opioid prescriptions in America by 1/3 in 3 years. I think we can do that.
The Trump team's plan to stopping a nationwide health crisis. Ryan Laughlin, Valley News Live.
There are now 5 Chinese nationalists and fugitives that are hiding, but there is no extradition treaty with China. Law enforcement officials are hoping China will cooperate to bring them to the United States to face trial.